Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What if you could earn money while doing almost nothing, not trading time, not chasing hours, but building something once and letting it work for you? Because the truth is, most people don't lack income. They lack systems, and today we're going to change that. These are 10 passive income ideas that require minimal maintenance. Let's begin. Idea 1. High-yield savings accounts. The simplest form of passive income is letting your money sit in the right place. A high-yield savings account pays you just for holding cash. No effort, no management, just consistency and patience. Idea 2. Dividend stocks. Some companies pay you just for owning their stock. These are called dividends. You invest once and receive payments regularly, minimal maintenance, long-term growth. Idea 3. Index funds. Instead of picking stocks, you invest in the entire market. Index funds grow over time with very little involvement. You don't need to watch, you don't need to react. Just invest and wait. Idea 4. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Ebooks, templates, guides. Once they are made, they can generate income repeatedly with almost no maintenance. Idea 5. Print on demand. Design something simple, upload it, and platforms handle the rest. Printing, shipping, delivery. You create once and earn again and again. Idea 6. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products and earn a commission. No inventory. No support work, just sharing what already exists and letting the system work. Idea 7. Rental income. Owning property can generate steady income, especially with long-term tenants. Once set up, it becomes predictable, stable, recurring, low effort to maintain. Idea 8. Automated online businesses, websites, blogs, niche platforms, built once, optimized, then lightly maintained. Traffic comes in, income follows, over and over. Idea 9. Licensing content, photos, music, videos. You create them once and license them. Each time someone uses your work, you get paid without creating again. Idea 10. Investing in assets. Assets, not liabilities, things that generate income over time. Funds, businesses, digital systems. Ownership is the key, because owners earn even when they are not active. Now pause for a moment. Passive income is not about doing nothing. It is about doing something once and letting it repeat. Ask yourself, what system can you build that keeps working even when you stop? Listen again, slowly. Build once, earn repeatedly. Systems create freedom. Ownership creates income. Time becomes yours. Stay here and think, because the more you understand, the more you can build, and the more you build, the more freedom you create. We continue slowly, strategically, together. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.